So as you can see, I'm just selecting the answers randomly, and I'm getting some, I'm losing some. That's what you do basically. You answer these questions. The thing is, they give you like a note to read, you understand, and they ask you questions from the note you have just read to know if you actually read it. So if you answer the questions correctly, you get enough pineapples. But if you don't, you get less pineapple. That's just how it works. So the more pineapple you earn, the more money you make. That is just simple. So as you can see here, I got 114 pineapples. It's as simple as that. You don't have to do nothing else. Nothing more, nothing less. You learn and you earn. So here's how you redeem your pineapple. You go to shop, then you see gift cards. You can see 5k pineapple equals to $5 of any gift card of your choice. So once you see any gift card you're interested in, you click on it and then you click redeem. It's as simple as that. Once you redeem, it goes straight to your email. The same minute you click redeem, it goes straight to your email. You go to your email, you click on the link I've showed you earlier on. It's as simple as that. It shows you your code and you redeem it. Simple as that. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you some other time.